Did you know a study from Harvard School of Public Health found that people who eat more protein at breakfast lose more weight and maintain it better compared to those who rely on carb-heavy breakfasts? Yet in the U.S., the typical morning meal is often bagels, muffins, or sugary cereal, loaded with carbs but low in protein. No wonder so many people feel hungry before noon. The great news? You can enjoy delicious vegetarian breakfasts that are high in protein, filling, and perfect for weight loss. Let's explore 7 simple, protein-rich vegetarian breakfasts with calorie and protein counts to fuel your mornings. Number 1. Greek Yogurt Power Bowl. 1 cup of plain, non-fat Greek yogurt has about 20 grams of protein and 100 calories. Add chia seeds, berries, and almonds for a total of 280 calories and 27 grams of protein. It's creamy, refreshing, and keeps blood sugar steady. Number 2. Tofu Scramble with Vegetables. Half a block of tofu gives 180 calories and 20 grams of protein. Add veggies and toast, and you're looking at 320 calories and 22 grams of protein. Think of it as scrambled eggs, only plant-based and packed with flavor. Number 3. Protein-packed smoothie. Blend almond milk, plant protein powder, peanut butter, half a banana, and spinach. 1 glass equals 350 calories and 28 grams of protein. Perfect for busy mornings when you need something quick and energizing. Number 4. Quinoa Breakfast Bowl. 1 cup of cooked quinoa is 220 calories and 8 grams of protein. Add soy milk, walnuts, and apples for a warm bowl with 380 calories and 17 grams of protein. Nutty, cozy, and satisfying on cooler mornings. Number 5. Cottage cheese with fresh fruit. Half a cup of low-fat cottage cheese has 80 calories and 14 grams of protein. Add fruit and flax seeds and you've got 220 calories and 18 grams of protein. It digests slowly, keeping hunger away for hours. Number 6. Savory chickpea pancakes. 1 cup of chickpea flour has 350 calories and 21 grams of protein. 2 pancakes come to 300 calories and 16 grams of protein. Add avocado on top, and you've got a filling, savory start to the day. And number 7. Overnight oats with protein boost. Mix oats, almond milk, chia seeds, and protein powder. By morning, you've got a creamy jar worth 370 calories and 25 to 30 grams of protein. It's convenient, customizable, and keeps you energized for hours. Here are 3 ways to make high-protein breakfasts sustainable. Number 1 is meal prep ahead of time. Overnight oats or smoothie packs can be made the night before. Second is to keep staples ready. Greek yogurt, tofu, chickpea flour, and protein powder should always be stocked in your kitchen. And third is to mix and match recipes. Rotate between sweet options like yogurt bowls and savory ones like chickpea pancakes to avoid boredom. This way, breakfast becomes effortless instead of stressful. The amount of protein you need depends on your lifestyle. For most adults aiming for weight loss, a good target is 25 to 30 grams of protein at breakfast. This helps hit your daily protein needs, which range from 70 to 100 grams per day for many adults, depending on activity level. If you're more active, say you do strength training or running, you may need even more to support muscle repair and recovery. Now you might be wondering, why emphasize protein at breakfast instead of later in the day? Research shows protein helps reduce levels of the hunger hormone ghrelin while boosting satiety hormones. This means when you start your morning with protein, you're less likely to crave sugary snacks before lunch. And unlike a carb-heavy breakfast that spikes blood sugar, protein digests slowly, giving you steady energy for hours. That's why making this one shift in your mornings can be a game changer for weight loss. Of course, the key is consistency. Starting your morning with a protein-rich vegetarian breakfast helps you stay satisfied longer, control cravings, and maintain steady energy. With options like yogurt bowls, tofu scrambles, smoothies, quinoa, cottage cheese, chickpea pancakes, and overnight oats, there's no shortage of variety. Each of these delivers between 16 and 30 grams of protein, enough to keep you full and help your weight loss journey.